In this video, I will explain why some phones have 80 or 85% charging limit option. This feature is called battery protection or optimized charging. You can see it on Samsung, iPhone, Pixel, Sony, Asus and many phone brands. The main purpose of this limit is battery health and lifespan. Modern phones use lithium-ion batteries. These batteries wear out faster when charged at 100% very often. Keep at higher voltage, it means 100% battery level for a long time. Exposed to heat while fully charged. Charging up to 80 or 85% reduce battery stress. The last 20% of battery level damage the battery more over time. 80 or 85% charge limit can extend the battery life about 6 months compared with 100% full charge settings. This limitation cannot extend battery lifespan for more years, only a few months can extend. Especially useful this limit if you charge phone overnight, use phone while charging, live in hot countries, you need to keep phone 2 or 4 years, phone stays on charger for a long time, or you want to long-term battery health. Laptop manufacturers also use this method. If you need maximum battery for every day, travel a long distance with no charging access, you should charge about 100% battery level. Modern phone can auto-calibrate, then no issue with battery percentage accuracy. The last summary is, when you set this limit, you can use your phone for a less time on a single charge compared with fully 100% charge. If your main concern is to get a long battery life on a single charge, don't use this limit. It will not harm anything on your phone. The only disadvantage is that you will have to replace your battery a few months earlier compared with the charging limit option.